Today we're going to talk about the coffee warmer. It might sound funny, but this coffee warmer has it's called a coffee warmer, but it has dual functions. It's not just for keeping your coffee warm for those people that are really, really serious about coffee and keeping their beverage warm, but this is also a candle warmer. And that's how I'm going to use it. Of course, I'll use it as, I mean, my coffee doesn't last that long for it to keep warm. But candles, yes, I always have candles around, especially Christmas smelling candles, because this is a Christmas channel. And what's great about doing it as a candle warmer is that it's flameless. So you can turn that on, put the candle, of course, make sure this one, I haven't done it here, right? Make sure you take these labels from the candle, because it has to be glass to glass, right? This is a glass surface right here, and you need to take the labels, any paper thing that is on the candle, you need to take it off, and it has to be glass to this glass surface. So let me show you how beautiful this thing looks, right? It's really simple to use. In one button you set the timer, right? It has from 1 to 12 hours, and on the other button you set the temperature. And that surface right there is a glass surface, right? At the back it has the on and off button right here. You see? It has an on and off button. And then basically what you do is you put it on a surface that is flat, preferably, right? And then you plug it in, set the temperature. Right, let's plug this in right here. Turn it on. Once you are dealing with this, make sure you don't touch this surface. This thing has a way of reminding you. So then we turn it on. Let's turn on, and now here we set the timer, right? And then right there you see it has the temperature 113 degrees Fahrenheit, right? And then you can, with each press of this button right here, the temperature goes up. Okay, now it heats up really quick, so you gotta be careful when you're doing this. I'm holding it in my hand like this because I want to show you how it works. But I want to show you how it works, but make sure that you know you're taking care of how you're doing this. So then you put this on the surface, right? You put this on the surface, and then it'll heat up the wax in there, and it will expel the smell of the candle, and you don't have to worry about having an open flame out there. Or in the case that you're using it to heat up your coffee, you just put your coffee mug there, preferably one of those jars, right? Not a porcelain one, because the insulation is not going to let you warm the cloth. So you want a glass. It has to be glass on glass. So very sleek model, beautiful, super recommended.